Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. All right. All right. Here we go.
Let's go. We'll wait till after he says it.
Press the spin button and look up.
I'm gonna do this side. I've been doing this side.
What you got? What you got going on here?
When you're ready, push a button. Collect as many trains as you can. Very cold weather was a price, but we didn't. Hop on board. Ride that money train all the way home. Well done.
What? What? Really? All right. That was the last spin. You got more than your money back. You won 35 bucks. So, yeah, collect. Got your little sister. Collect now? Yes.
Come back soon.
So what do they do? Look at this. Let me see a little ticket there.
Putting 20 in.
And then you won 35 more. Man.
Got paid to win. Thank you very much.
What are you playing? How many lines?
3.
3 lines?
3 and 3.
But look, that doesn't get you the jackpot.
Okay, so 5.
The 5 lines get you to the jackpot option. Hey, what's that?
7.
You won 20. So you won $5.
That looks great.
You got it. Let's go.
I thought you told me about the jackpot.
Spin the wheel of fortune.
You didn't even get to say it. I just pulled the jackpot. It's okay. 85? Hey, I'll take it.
85. That's was it 80 is 20 bucks. So yeah, you're good.
I mean, would I want 100? Would I appreciate the jackpot? It's all good. It's all good.
Hey, that's cool.
Yeah. I guess for this guy. Okay. I'm up $11.
Grinding it out. Yeah, but at least you're seeing them.
Yeah, that is
Hey, well, that's cool.
$1.25. What was that? One line paste.
It was a 2, right?
Did you not give me anything?
It did.
Oh, it's 2. Okay, we did that. It was so fast.
Look.
Come on.
Yeah.
Big money, big money.
It's time to spin the wheel.
How do you say it? Big money, big money?
Press the spin button and
I didn't let him finish.
Wow.
Right in front
That's
of the
cool.
jackpot.
Right in front of the jackpot.
Not nice. Who's that lady left? Can we go sit over there? At the end?
Yeah, that's fine. You gonna cash out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look, she just sat down. Lady just sat down.
Hey, Dave, you're supposed to go over there.
Oh.
Oh,
Better hurry.
They're saving this. That lady left. She's saving this. Okay, I'll stay here. I'll just stay here. It's okay. It's been good to me.
Hey, that's something.
$1.25.
Hey, come on. Hey, what's that?
$1.25.
What's that? Oh, come on. Come on. Boo. Yeah, again. All right. Man, this was pretty active, huh?
to spin the wheel. Press the spin button and look up.
All right. What you want, babe? Come on, jackpot.
Jackpot or 1,000?
1,000. Man, greedy.
Ask me. That's what I get.
That's what you get for asking for 1,000.
Okay, next time I'll ask for what, 35. Oh yeah, that's the smallest one.
Oh, look, here they are.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Hey, you got a cheers.
Oh, sorry. Cheers. Sorry. Little sword.
You having fun?
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I like seeing
You
you.
don't mind sitting here?
No, I
feel
love
bad.
it. I love it.
I feel bad.
Uh-uh.
Okay, I'm up 11.
No, because like literally, you always are backing me on everything, so let's do it. What were you saying? You're what?
I'm up 11:50. I mean, yeah, I love
Plus, the
Oh. Those pay a little bit. Oh, 50 cents.
hey,
Listen, if I get a good one, like say 125 or 200, I'm gonna do 10.
okay, you're gonna go up.
Yeah. But I gotta get a decent one, and then I'll be done.
I got it.
Oh,
Hey, look at that.
$1.25. See that?
I was close.
Okay.
Hey, what's that?
$1.75. The spin with the
Man.
Okay. Let me play a little bit more. Okay.
Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. All right. All right. Here we go.
Let's go. We'll wait till after he says it.
Wheel of Fortune. Press the spin button and look up.
I'm gonna do this side. I've been doing this side.
Hey, 75?
Here are your total winnings.
Not bad.
Congratulations.
See, I like that other one because it's a longer seat, so we can both.
Now that's
Oh, okay.
They gave me $18.75. I'm sorry. So I'm up 15.
I wonder what that gold, how that gold spin thing wins. Oh. No.
I just got one.
It's cool because you're playing on their money right now.
Right. Right. Okay. 50
Two.
cents. Okay, now I'm on my money.
Come on. Boo. Maybe it'll come up again. Man, you really want to go sit at that other one, huh?
Because of the seat. That's it.
I'm fine with this.
$10 left.
Come on, come on.
So
Oh man, that was close. That was really close.
That was not nice. Okay, look, I got $5.
Oh, there you go. Not bad. Dollar. What's that?
$1.25.
Now that's big
Man.
money.
Oh. We'll do another same. What was that?
I won 20.
Oh, you won 20.
Yeah.
No, it says win 182.
No, it's not. I won 20. I know. It's 82 quarters.
Wait, but it says, oh, you won $20.
Yeah.
Oh, so you now. No, oh, wow, that's cool.
Yeah. So this doesn't work? Oh, it does.
Congratulations.
What is that? What is that?
Let's go.
How much is that?
I don't know. We don't ask questions, Dave. It's still going. 300? Stop. Are you serious? 400?
That's $100 now. Diana.
450.
Wow. You got $137. You started with 20 bucks. Man, babe, this might be your thing, huh?
Should I do the 10 now? Or wait, do it a little bit more and then.
I don't know. Hold on. Let me take a picture of what that is. All right, so you just won 450.
Yeah,
And then-
112.50.
So you're at 137. You started with 20 bucks.
Okay, I think I'm gonna roll a couple times and then change it to the 510.
And that triple like really helps, huh?
Yeah.
Man, that was cool seeing it go up. Ding, 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 ding like
Yeah,
that.
and it just kept going. Okay, here we go.
You went up to 10?
Yeah.
So what does that do when you go up to 10?
I think it's more lines. So maybe more chance.
Oh, wait, it says 5 lines, 10 credits each. So you're betting more is what you're doing. It's not more lines, you're just betting more.
I think it's like 350. But don't you get more?
You get more because you bet more.
Yeah.
But it also goes faster.
Now. There we go. 250. So that last bit only cost me $1.
Come on. Yeah. Sweet.
Okay.
All right.
So
You're going to spin the wheel.
Yeah.
Touch the spin
Yeah,
button.
so far.
Man, this is we hadn't probably been back here in 20 years to Vegas and
Big money.
Hey, still playing. Have a good one.
Congratulations.
What's that? Oh,
875.
it's funny because you change it up. You'll start with pushing the button, then you start.
Yeah. I don't think that does anything, but
Hey,
oh, triple. See, that's a good one.
what's that? Oh, you won 13 bucks.
That's the one that can give you $2 grand. I would like to do that.
You would like to do what?
Get the triple star.
That'd be $2 grand. So you're at 250 a spin right now.
Yeah.
Look. Let's go. Ah, it was close. Come on. Come on. The way you flinched.
I really thought I had it.
You flinched.
I did. I thought I had it.
It's a good little machine. Hey, that went fast.
Yeah.
Did you see how it popped up real fast?
Yeah. Those sevens I like those sevens. They give you a little bit to stay in the game, you know? Ah. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh, look, that was a weird looking set. Those are 150. Come on, come on. It's time. It's time. There you go. So what do? You wait till...
He says,
Here we go. It's time to spin the wheel. Press the spin button and look up.
okay, let's go.
Hey, 70. How much is 70? That's
That's a nice award.
it's $18, something like that.
How about me?
$17.50.
You're like, it's time.
Yeah. Again? That would be crazy. What is gold spin? What's a gold spin?
Welcome to the Wheel of Fortune Gold Spin Deluxe. It's a virtual wheel spin. Touch the spin button now.
Oh, it's another one, the virtual one, not that one. Damn, they slow down the
Charge multiplier with 3 pointers.
Oh, so it's gonna do both of those at the top. It's gonna give you 2 of the pointers.
It's time to spin the wheel.
I like that.
Press the spin button and look up.
So look, it highlighted.
Oh, cool.
No, it's the red one and I don't know.
Yeah, they're all highlighted.
They're all lit up.
Ooh, is it 200?
Way to play. Here is your winning total.
You got 310 times 2? 620? 620. I can't even count that.
Last one I got 450, right?
Yeah, 400 is. So you just won 150 bucks. Dang, man. How you feeling?
Just another day. Just the regular price is getting
$155. You won 155.
Wow.
Man, you got $217 now. It's up to you.
But I like this machine. Okay, there's other machines too.
But are you having fun?
But yeah, but we're on a roll.
On a roll. We got drinks coming, non-alcoholic beverages.
Yeah. Okay, cheers. One more time. Cheers.
No way. Are you serious?
We were just about to
Dang.
Here we go. It's time to spin the wheel. Press the spin button and look up.
Talk about cashing out. Gotcha. That's another 20 bucks.
That's a nice award.
It is a nice award. That is an 80.
What's that? Man, that looked cool. How you do it? Pointing. Hey, what's that?
$6.25.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
And this is all up for the $20, so right?
Yeah. That was close. That was too soon, though.
It would be nice. I don't know.
That's that gold. I like that gold spin one.
Yeah, that was the virtual spin.
Here we go. Here we go. It's time. Ah.
It said no, it's not.
Come on, maybe this time. No.
Oh,
Hey, wait. What's that?
$10.50.
That's cool.
The sevens are nice.
Come on.
Oh my god.
I gotta say, I think this has got the most spins that we've seen.
Yeah.
Like, didn't I even
Over there.
remember? Yeah. Oh, wow. Come on. Can't be greedy. Hey,
I'll take that.
he said you'll take that.
That should be something.
Hey, that lady moved. I don't know. It's up to you. I don't know. This one's been pretty. I like the spot
Okay,
too.
then let's just take it. Like it's telling me, don't leave me.
But I haven't seen anybody hit on that one yet.
No, but I've been hitting.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Man, that little gold spin thing was cool.
Yeah, that was nice. Bonus issue.
Look, now it's all empty over here.
Oh, this is that. Okay. 7.
Oh, 20. So that was what? $4, $5. Hey, that's cool. That's cool seeing the sevens. Come on. Come on, come on. It's time. It's time. Hey, what's that? Oh, man, I thought it was the spin thing.
No, it's the golden deluxe thing. That one.
Come on, come on. We need one. Bum, bum, ba-dum. Come on. There we go. Oh, what's that? Come on, come on. It's time. We need one. We hadn't heard it in a while.
Yeah, it's been some time.
Right? It hadn't done it in a while. Come on. Let's go. Oh, it's close. Man, this is really cool because this is on $20 and you get to play this long. Like, nah. You're paying $10. I mean, 10 per now too. So it's, yeah. Come on. Come on. All right. What do we got? What do we got, babe? It's time. It's time. Let's see the spins. It's time for a spin. It's been a while.
Maybe it's time.
Tired. Hey, what's that?
$6.
Triple spin. Okay. Come on. Here's the downfall.
All fun and games.
Come on. You know what? We need another cranberry juice. A non-alcoholic cranberry juice.
Now that's big.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's that? 100? No. It's not 150. It's times 3. And then times 3 of that. 229.
57.25.
57.20. Man, back in the game.
Okay, all good. I'm happy.
Back in the game.
Look at all these rims.
Come on, come on. No. It was close. What's that? What's that? What's that? Gold spin. Man, babe.
Fortune Gold Spin Deluxe.
This is great.
You earn a spin of the virtual wheel. Press the button to spin the wheel.
You spin it.
No, no, no. I'm not messing. I'm not messing up anything. Two times.
With 2 pointers. Good luck.
So it's the yellow and the blue pointer.
Okay.
See? The yellow and the
Yeah,
blue.
yeah, yeah, the yellow and
So the middle and the one on the right.
All right. You're going to spin the wheel. Touch the spin button now.
Oh, you got 230. So you got 460. That's 100 and something bucks. Man, babe. Look at that. 460.
Back in the game.
How?
Back in the game. This is spectacular. This is even better.
Man, you're back almost to $200 again. For real? Again? It keeps doing that. It's done that before. It goes twice in a row.
It's time to spin the
Man, babe, found you a good one.
Press the
Hey, that's good. $5.
Congratulations.
But he didn't say that's incredible. Then he was like, it's all right.
Huh?
Oh, he was like, it's all right.
Man, you're over $200 again. You're just grinding it out.
No.
Hey.
It loves me.
So what do you think, like, about the whole... Again? Man. Man, babe.
It's time to spin the wheel of fortune.
Oh, here, Beth.
Spin button
Get rid of this.
look up.
It's fine. Sorry. Hey, 30.
Here are your total winnings. Congratulations.
Let's go. So back up 200.
That's cool. That's pretty cool. Come on. I like that little spin, that virtual spin thing. That's cool. I think that's even funner than the, yeah. That's fast. You got it. You got it again. You got it again.
Come on, you gotta push the
Nah, I don't want to mess. You want me to do it? All right, look, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Hold on, wait. He said,
Let's spin the virtual wheel.
okay, you press it.
You press that one. I'll do the other way. Yeah, it's fine.
Pointers. Good luck.
All right, you want to push the other one?
Yes.
Oh wait, it says it's gonna do all 3 pointers though.
Why?
It's gonna do all 3 of them
Times one.
times 1.
Okay.
So that's still good.
That's still good, yeah.
Okay.
All right. You're going to spin the wheel. Touch the spin button now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all 3 times 1. Man, that was close. That was really
Here is your winning
$10. $10 more.
Sure is a lot of hype for
Now that's big
Come
money.
on, you know that's true.
Hey, she said that's big money.
No, that's $1.
Wait. How much is it?
It's 75, 85, and 50.
Oh, $210, $52. Oh, man, baby, you almost got. Look, you have 200. You made over 200 bucks sitting here. What's that?
750.
Dang, babe, that's so cool.
Have you been here a while?
What'd you say on that other one? That sure was a lot of hype for.
And well, you said it was 10, but it was 50.
It was
That
50,
makes-
yeah.
That's so bad. That makes sense. Hey, that hot dog was good.
I thought it was
I
good.
mean, I don't want to get you.
You getting
full.
hungry again?
No. But I'm burping the onion. And it reminds me of the hot dog. That should be something. Whatever.
Oh, that was close. This last run you've been on has been like 30 minutes.
Not bad.
Wait, what's that?
I don't go down anyway.
That's 10. Come on. This would be nice. What's that? Oh, you're doing it there now?
I do eat one of each.
You gotta let it get done first. Now you need is like those little trolls and stuff. Hey, come on. Let's see. So this is El Cortez is the name of this place. It's off the street. It's in the old area of Vegas. Yeah, that's true. Oh, wow. That was 10 bucks. Oh, look at this. Come on, come on. Yeah.
It's time to spin the Wheel of Fortune. Press the spin button and look up.
You want to do it?
Nah, you do it. Hey, $10.
Here is your winning total.
Really?
Okay.
Come on now.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I appreciate it. Why did it say 55 and it said 40 up there?
I don't know. Maybe it's a $10 extra. Maybe it gives you your bet back.
Maybe.
32.
$8.
Wow.
$5.
Oh, look, here they come, babe. Thank you very much. Oh, is that because of the sevens? Dang. So when you do that, you win back your money, but you get the money too. So that's what it's doing.
Oh, gotcha.
It's paying you 10, but you're not losing your 10.
Right.
So it's actually, you are gaining 250. All right, let's see. Let's go. Maybe you need to switch it up.
What?
Go back down to sevens. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe when you do the tens, it does let you have more chances, you know?
Yeah.
Or is it that it does that or it pays more?
It's 5 lines. So you get more of a cheap one. Because
Oh, it's
5
10 lines. It's 5 lines, 10 credits.
Millie Willie here, trying to figure it out as we go.
What has it done? What has it not? What have we not seen it do?
No, we've seen them do it all.
But like it did, it paid double for 2 of them.
Yeah.
And then we've seen it pay triple for 1 of them. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Come on. Come on. Oh. I want to see another one now. Let's see another one. Come on. Let's see another one. Let's see it. Come on. All right. Hit it. Let's see another one. Come on. You're seeing a lot of that in the window, though. You know what I mean? Like you see a lot of the spin in the window.
What do you mean in the window?
Like it's in, at least you're seeing it.
Oh, yeah.
It's not like it's not.
Or virtual. It's like that. spinning physically.
There you go. Now I really like that gold spin thing.
Yes, it was this and the two of those. Oh.
There you go. Come on. Come on, let's see a spin. Yeah, that was close.
How did I get it over that?
Oh, let's see a spin. See one of these cool spins. Oh. That's 20. That gets 80 if you do that.
You know I'm still on that $20, right?
I know. It's crazy. I think we've been playing like an hour and a half on that $20. Which that's pretty cool that this is, that you can even do that. Like last night we were playing, we spent $100 in like 30 minutes, but you were playing $5 a spin. This is $2.50 a spin. And before that, you were spending a dollar something a spin. Well, look, you hit it too soon. Come on, we hadn't seen a spin lately. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Are you changing it up? Oh, wow. Nice.
You'll spin a win with 2 winners and a 2-times multiplier activated.
She's got a 2-time multiplier.
Here is your total win. Congratulations.
That's cool.
Show me the love.
Man, hers is pretty lively, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on. Well, down under the first $20 now. It's been a run. It's been a run. Here we go.
I never see those. This one, the United States 7, the American flag 7. I want to see it right out.
You know what? You were already pulling.
No, I
That's it. You gotta change it up to 3. You wanna go grab some? You
My
wanna
voucher. Huh?
go grab something to eat?
You hungry?
I'm getting hungry again.
Yeah, it's sort of, it fizzled out, right? Okay.
Hey, you had it up to 200.
I know I did. That was awesome.
Hey, what did
It
you
was
think?
fun. It was really fun. How long were we? Like an hour?
Yeah, at least an hour.
So $20. That's not bad.
Nah, and plus, you still won 35 on the other one,
So
so
I didn't lose.
yeah. So
Played for
I-
free.